so otumfo Nyankopɔn hyira no ne okese na sambi edi Nyankopɔn asem eba nso se bobo mpaye ne edi Nyankopɔn asem eba na sabba ko Nyankopɔn ne den so be fam mu kasa me manum asem ni ogya no wo na mfa wo gye ne fa hodie e fa mro ma o to ba Jesus Christ demo ene e bo mpaye amen sambi no ba be chi Nyankopɔn asem Amatuni din say your life is recorded. Your life is recorded. Adibia we asasusu bia we na asasusu ni na no odofo ya record ni na den ato do ye bia ya record ni na ato ntino say that ni uko gina na nkupon atemu genu na nkupon be ni na akiro ene mo ye na asasusu bia no ya record ni na den ato odofo enfa no ma bi enya agro embaba wo pe baba efata Kristo. Your life is recorded. Baba wo bana sasusu nyano Nyankopon na record ni na ego. Okay, the Bible tells us that God knows everything and that he is keeping a record of our life. Bible mentions say Nyankopon no oni bibia na dibia ekoso ya babum bia no arekodi ni na ato odofo kono na wo bon ofi se onipa bi ehu ba Jesus Christ ohun arekodi ato ejama na wo bon ofi se Jesus Christ ohun arekodi ato ensanom na wo nom no abosum bura na wo goro no Jesus Christ arekodi na edaho Bobo bona sasusu bia no agibe odu ni pedwa be bia no eskuso ayekodo ato adibia koso yasi benu Jesus Christ onim anahimu ina nkopon onim ni na adibia wa ekoso asasu yesu no onim okron na wo bono ofisi Jesus Christ onim ayekodo ato dati no obeje na temudwa no obenyi na akiro be fe uni na. Also, on the judgment day, we will be going to give an account of what he has recorded. You will book a conta. I did be aware we was associated to be an open conta. So, Corona boy book conta. The man boy book conta. Ujamon for Kumo, Ujamon for Zilmo, book conta. In the judgment seat of Christ, you will book conta. I did pay you as a suicide for morning now. Until Korea, to join you shall not to Russia, but only did want to announce so. Because I did not will be an excuse woman. Woman, I did would do need persuasion. Would you need persuasion, but your money and would you need persuasion, no man's son fatter. Would you do that too, so no man passa, you go, excuse woman now. I couldn't not one. Send the pajam and Nankupon solid time. Nankupon is so send the pajam and mirrors of my messel to the judgment seat of Christ or about 2%. But for one in now, Natipia Uyanas as Subiano, I record that to that. Nankupon record that one. If you say Nankupon record it, you will win. Corona will bow Jumamono. Corona will bow Jumamono. Wunina. Also, the only boss added that. If we say Nankupon win. Won say o boss ku elder wohuni na so adibia wo ye na sasusu we na Nakopon record in the judgment seat of Christ no very full in the judgment seat of Christ no very full. Yenko Romans chapter 14 verse 12. Romans 14 verse 12. O say enti afei yeni na bebu yen ho akonta maako akye Onyankopon adibe yi bebu ho akonta se papa o se bonyo e bebu ho akonta so ye papa e akonta bu papa na Onyankopon mama ba ye bonyo so e bebu ho akonta odo fo wutie mi enfo wo brobo nto chacha enyi na wo pa wasasu we so because adibe wo ye bia no Onyankopon rekodo akwai say obi force obi ni nada I don't the day so be baby record what recording na I know the day no so go do in the seat of judges for any man was an evidence na pie Let your showcase said that year in the day church or let the uncle to prison. Something na coupon me. Now coupon evidence I did be a necessary a form of evidence or recording now to say about very fell in the judgment seat who bought a who say yes, who bought thing. Also be sabbath the one farmer. If you say na coupon we on, but who see, when we stand before God in judgment, it will be too late to change our external destiny. It be too late. I feel the I feel person too late. Are too late? We shall need you. A man just some proper. A man just say, who fits Piama won't be a free. A man because I'm not being because no could judgment seat of Christ. I didn't such a bien will be moon because you're poor thing because we are papa, Okobun Samjim. I didn't know you're bien so we are good or call heaven. So we are Boniswa Okobun Samjim. If you do the judgment in of such a then I did such a bien. I did such a bien anymore. Some year what see. And I do such a woman. Obaba, who to me remember 10 that at the office and a day we are Uyan, rescue woman or Hunina. Whoso born your Biapu, who is Sunia. And no way and yet no school are recording in now. Therefore, you could join the judgment seat of Christ. It will be too late for us to change our mind. Tibet Master San dream, too late, but a many just away than was so improper. What's the Tibema Utimo? Now we do my Christo. For Christo. For my Christo, not to feel the Mampomu Cronumu and Sanumu, a Belgromu, and no man so fat a chum film. You say, Bay and Cooper Mary called on my papa and I found. God sees both the good and the evil that we do. He knows our thoughts and attitude, good or bad. Now, Cooper, Omu ye papa, and your pony na ye bia. Onum yaji, onum the no ma ekofu ya jumina. Opum osusu na adwen se bokununia. Obi se na nkopon yon. Onenu ma dwimu nsem na. Every day bia onum papa, onum ye papa and your pony. Ebi mo susu bokununia, won se na so le osu oboko anwo ben. Na okorobu nuia. Odofo wutie mi sachra na mboawo. Because Christo unim de kosina. He know our good and evil. And therefore we say such a na adibia we na sasu say papa say bonu unim wajim ade ko so wajum na unim. He know your thoughts. Wajum was adibia ajumpo na wajum unim. Ajum papa so na wajum unim. Therefore just say sister. Because in the judgment seat of Christ, na be Japan say, ya record to a baba born as a baba born ya boy no. I record no as a baba pa boy no. Ya record no two funa ko pama angel be fa say, that's no cop heaven. Ni abe son sa chon. A chon da ko to pon samjim. Un say ya pa, eja yi papa, eja yi pa, eja. So we will be judged by the record of our deeds. Adibia ye dini pedwa adibia yo na sase bia no akubo bobu ye ho atem adibia ye bia no se popo se bonu ye bo dwame yo kronu ye no ma papa ade ma of ye adoye e kwaso bo for de ye no ma o Christo ni so no akubo so be judge ni na bobu ya ten wo. For God shall bring every work into judgment with everything, whether it's good or whether it's bad or evil. I did be a say papa say bonu and couple bobu and what because I did be your pass na couple make say minimo. What we are the end now. You are too go to put something. If we say I did be we are no visit and couple who obi a who took from the nation who what wa bobo na record that war. Uso okunya adina ko disakawa. Uso okumo painful. Oh we doom. If you go pon we wo huni na me so abobo no record wa bobo no wa record to one that me so be jani nima bu bu waten na very fro na don the thing o do akwakoto bu something ene de sachra 50 be ma utimo sachra no tufu na ko ponto o so mpa de bonefo wo odofo wutie mi sachra fi boni ti be ma utimo fa homa Kristo de ne kwe baba bokonkron se be na kupon e be record no ma papa da fa ho se dati no o hwe no ma pa o record fa ho a o ma angels abefa edo akọ osu ahini em enfo nkotu bonsam jim abonsam jim enye e ma wo otumfo na kopon hira one okese na ompija wo mfi adumu enko adumu o Jesus Christ dem na me bompa amen nipa cho subscribe sisia subscribe adoma beba sa adoma ne ba click na option beba option ne ba click oh okay oh na send dani na no yedi otumfo Nyankopon asem e de bebro na e de fidi ekran e de fidi so because umma dwane no ene na myasem abadna Nyankopon hira pa na one kese na on pija wo fon fi adomu enko adomu o Jesus Christ demo amen.